Hey everybody, this is Kip from America Bumper to Bumper, and we're going to do our first little modification of the Project Astro. I've got a name, but I'm thinking about maybe not using it if you guys can come up with something better. First thing we're going to do is very simple. I got a bunch of stickers from buddies that I haven't done anything with, so we're going to take a few minutes and we're going to slap them on. This has got plenty of real estate to put those on. Just got to figure out where to put those. I don't know whether we're going to put them on the side window, because again, I got plenty over there, or maybe we'll put them on the back. We do have one little video from the previous owner, one little sticker from the previous owner. So, I don't know. I'm thinking we're going to put them right here. And I got some cleaner. We're going to clean that up. And let's put those stickers on. Alright, so what we got here, guys, is some APC. We got some purple power. This is not a paid advertisement or anything. Not getting anything out of this, just using it. So we use some APC. And we're going to clean the window off, and then later on, probably not today, but sometime in a next video, we're going to try cleaning this up a bit with the APC. And we also got oil change to do. We've got air filter. Going to put some new windshield wipers on it. And we also got seafoam, high mileage seafoam. I'm going to put some of this in the gas tank, a little bit in the oil, and we're going to definitely put, see if we can clean the intake. We'll do some, see if I can find a vacuum, pull that off, and put some of that in there. But that's probably going to be for the next video. Today, we're just going to see whether I can get the software working to get the so I can see if I can actually edit these videos. So bear with me. Let's go clean off a window and stick on some stickers. So we've got Olde Carr Guy we're going to stick on there. And we actually got 3 from Hammer Down Motorsports. We're going to put 2 of them. Probably put one Hammer Down on the other side as well. Maybe we'll put this on the back window. So let's put those on. There, we got those 2 on. Let's clean up the back window, and we'll put the other Hammer Down Motorsports on the back up here next to the gun. And just like that, Hammer Down Motorsports is on. Let's go ahead, put that other Hammer Down Motorsports sticker on the other backside window, and we're going to call this a day. So we found one more sticker with good buddy Grant over at Straight Six Fan, and we got to put that one on. So let's go ahead and do that. Might not be as straight as I want it, but there we go. Another sticker on.